Good morning, welcome to your 8:15 daily operations weather briefing. We have some partly to mostly cloudy conditions out there this morning. Seeing some cloud cover in the upper levels with some filter sunshine across the area. Going to average out partly cloudy today. Should see a bit more sunshine as we move into the late morning into the afternoon hours today. Going to see a very warm day across the region for this time of year. Temperatures in the lower 70s for highs along the coast. Should see some mid 70s inland. So seeing those warm temperatures and enjoy it as we'll have a transition to some cooler weather as we move into the weekend. At our current surface analysis, we have high pressure off the coast, southwesterly to southwesterly flow across the region, pumping in that warmer air mass across our region. We have a cold front currently across the Great Lakes that's going to be moving towards the region for tomorrow. Taking a look at our current conditions, or the current observation as of 8:15, seeing a broken deck 18,000 as well as 25,000. South-southwest winds at 8 knots, temperature 47 degrees, and relative humidity at 86%. So taking a look at our current satellite imagery, you can see we do have some upper level cirrus cloudiness across the region. This is the infrared imagery, and that's going to continue to move off to the east. You can see we move back in time here and then forward. It's continuing to move off the coast and seeing some decently clear skies across central Virginia this morning. So taking a look at the NAM model, 3-kilometer NAM, the derived reflectivity. This is for this afternoon. You can see some rain showers off to the west, and then they kind of die off as they move towards the region. That cold front will push towards the region tomorrow morning and cross tomorrow afternoon, and that's going to give us a slight chance of some sprinkles or a light rain shower during mainly from the late morning hours through the afternoon hours tomorrow. But overall, shouldn't see much precipitation. Mainly expecting maybe a few hundredths or a trace of precipitation tomorrow, so not much in the form of rainfall across the region as this front will dry up as it moves towards the region. So looking at our risk chart for today, expecting a high near 71 degrees today as winds shift out of the southwest off the land and become quite gusty this afternoon. Southwest 11 to 16 knots, gusting to 25 knots. And those gustier winds will continue through the early overnight hours before they start to lessen by tomorrow morning with southwesterly winds gusting up to 18 knots. So we'll have orange conditions around a 60 to 70% chance of a wind advisory for this afternoon. Slight chances that we have it this morning, late this morning, and during the early overnight hours. We'll see a low tonight well above average, about almost 20 degrees above average. At 52 degrees tonight, so well above where we're supposed to be for the overnight hours. Looking at our 24-hour terminal forecast, going to see VFR conditions the next 24 hours. We'll see some lower ceilings by tomorrow morning around 6,000 feet with a broken deck at 6,000 and an overcast deck at 8,000. But for today, a majority of the cloud cover is going to be between 18,000 and 25,000 feet. We won't have any chances of precipitation or lightning in the next 24 hours. Could see a very slight chance of something coming in as early as about 10 o'clock tomorrow morning, but overall should see any of those rain shower chances until about 11 o'clock tomorrow morning and thereafter. So looking at Friday and Saturday, Friday mostly cloudy to overcast, the chance of a brief rain shower after the late morning hours. We'll see slightly breezy winds during the morning as well. It'll be mild with a high of 66 degrees for Friday night, partly cloudy, slightly breezy and cooler. A low of 41 with that cold front moving south of the region. And for Saturday, seeing partly cloudy and more seasonable conditions, slightly breezy early with a high of 52 degrees. Could see some wind gust Friday night and into Saturday morning near 23 to 24 knots. But right now, most of the guidance is showing everything in the lower 20s, around 20 to 21 knots. So we'll continue to monitor that time period for a chance of wind advisory, but right now it looks very unlikely. Well, that's going to complete our 8:15 daily operations weather brief. I hope everybody has a great day. We're back at 10 o'clock to look at the next 7 days.